So today is the day. I'm so excited, but I still have to go to work. And then after, that's when it's coming. I can't wait. I don't know if I can concentrate. And then I had to get glasses because now my eyesight is really bad. Well, not really bad, but I need it for reading, and I've just been doing a lot of screen time. So, yeah. Okay, I'll see you later. The embroidery machine is here. It's here, it's here, it's here. It's been a minute since I posted a video here on YouTube. So much life has happened, and one of my updates, I got into embroidery. So if you've been following me on TikTok, then you know what I've been up to. I have done so many different crafts in the past few years, but embroidery, come on, like, to me, this is a whole new level. The company I chose is called Rainbowemb, and you can find them through Amazon. I decided to take a risk, like my other purchases from Amazon. Rainbowemb is a manufacturer for embroidery machines, so I thought, why not? And for the price, it was definitely way cheaper than what I could have gotten here in the US. The process was smooth after I purchased. Then the seller reached out to confirm my information and delivery address. And then from there, they'll arrange a delivery date for you just to make sure that you are home. And then a logistics company will give you a call when they're about to deliver it. So for my shipment, it took about 4 business days. Here you can see me trying to open the box. Rainbowemb was actually very helpful when it came to this process. Thank God that they have a video on their YouTube channel on how to open this box. Even though the video made it easier for me to just go at it, you still want to be careful because you are working with tools and metal and wood. Yeah, I didn't want to get injured, but thank goodness for my hubby. He helped me out. But of course, I also wanted to try and do it myself because, you know, I'm a strong, independent woman. So this is what I was trying to do. I'm trying to pry this latch straight up all around because it's all over the box. And from here, once everything is straight up like that, then you're able to open the box properly. This wood is heavy, so make sure you get some help to lift it up and put it down on the floor. This is how they had it packaged up, which is really nice and very sturdy, very protected. So here you could just see us taking out all the accessories that it came with. We have a bobbin winding machine, a toolkit, cap station, cap driver, cap hoops, garment hoops, flat embroidery frame, and table. And I almost forgot, it came with spool threads. And from here, we're just removing the rest of the box. And from here, we're pulling out the stand. This is part of it. And once you pull out the stand, you will be able to get the toolbox. And this toolbox, it will have everything that you need for this machine. And before you can even remove the actual machine off of the box, make sure you don't skip the step. This is the step that I missed. There's 2 screws under the pallet, so you have to unscrew that so it will release the machine. And now this is the top half of the machine. I didn't record it going up the stairs, but my 2 boys helped me. And welcome to my craft area. This is where the magic happens. Even though I had some help from my husband, I still wanted to put the machine together myself just to see if I could do it, you know. I'm just speeding up the video because it's just me removing the plastic off of the leg part of the machine. The legs are pretty heavy, so I know it's going to be sturdy once the machine is on it. It could have gone faster if you had 2 people with you doing this, but you know, like I said, I wanted to try and do it myself. And here I'm just readjusting the peg legs. I think that's what you call it. And you're supposed to align it with the wheel, so when you do have the machine on top of this, you're able to just push it around but still be sturdy at the same time. This is the part where I needed a second set of hands because I could not align this properly. I was having a hard time for a bit. And then the toolbox, it has everything you need for this machine. The video on YouTube was definitely a big help, and the screws that it came with, it was pretty easy to understand which one's which. It does come with extra screws just in case you end up stripping it or you end up losing any of them if you ever move your machine. This took longer than it needed to be. I swear if my husband did help me with this, it would have been done in less than 10 minutes. Now that the stand is finally standing, go back to the toolbox and you'll see these 4 rubber stopper thingies that you will put on the bottom of the foot of your machine. Just make sure you're aligning it with the holes because the foot of your machine needs to be screwed into those holes. And now I'm just removing this bubble wrap around the top part of the machine. I am so excited for this one. Like, you have no idea. And then once again, I did take my time removing this bubble wrap because there's so many buttons and knobs. I just didn't want to ruin anything, so I was very, very careful. Then I made sure that I removed this foam last because this is the screen, you know, the brain of this machine. And then this is me turning it on for the very first time. This just made me really excited, and from there I just decided to mess around with the settings and just kind of roam around. And according to the instructions, you do have to reset your machine. So there's this red knob right on top of the screen, and you kind of just have to twist that to reset it. And I know I have to change the language, connect it to Wi-Fi, and pretty much just get to know this machine. Alright, you guys, that is it for the video. I'm so excited to do more projects with this new machine. And here she is, all set up. And I do want to invite you to come along and follow the process of me learning an industrial embroidery machine. All right, you guys, see you later. Bye.